Mission. Mission is the word, the thought, the concept today on this 22nd day of 64 days of ways to peace, nonviolence, the Michael Chekhov way. And I'm out on a mission today. I'm out on the mission of getting my health up to speed and getting the world's health up to speed, creating this beehive out on some property in West Texas with my partners here. And we have been on this mission to bring more bees safely into the world. For years, I've been planting more flowers and greenery that will bring the bees, and we've created water sources. We're supporting the animal life in the area, and today we just created our first beehive, built that up there today. So mission, what is a mission? And you know, in the world of acting, we could think of it as our super objective. And in a little known thing in the world of acting, like most people think super objective is the biggest thing that the character wants over the arc of the story, but there is a thing called a super objective. And that super objective is a state of being most of the time that we're seeking to experience. And I think that's what I'd like to bring forward as a mission as opposed to a goal. In any given story arc, the goals might be multiple and add up to the overall goal that the character is trying to achieve in the story. But those goals are often task-oriented, and a mission for me has to do with a higher calling, a sense of a yearning and a direction to bring a certain state. And to me, that sense of beauty, feeling of ease, feeling of wholeness and form that are present in states of peace, to bring more wisdom and education into the world, to help everyone achieve states of what Michael Chekhov calls happiness. I would say that's my mission, and then I have many different goals, which might tally up to be, my mission is to help everybody become aware of these long existing 64 ways and days between these, the death day of Gandhi and the death day of Martin Luther King, and including Cesar Chavez's birthday, and to bring an awareness that inwardly, well, each one of us has a personal mission, and if we can align with a group of people to support or who align in their aesthetic and seek toward the same states, and we can align with organizations who have missions. We can look toward their vision. What do they see as a fulfillment of this mission? When we have a vision, then we can create the mission statement, which would be the specific pathway to that maybe, and then we can create short-term goals to lead to the fulfillment of the mission, which helps the vision manifest. Mission. So I'm also just asking you guys for some support to help this, just some thoughts to the future success of our bee adventure here. So my mission today, let it be.